Hello, and thank you for checking out this video in which we're going to use something called the bar method to do a level 2 functional skills maths question. Let's take a look. Keely sees a car she wants to buy. The purchase price of the car is £4,200. She can pay the purchase price in full or use this payment plan. Below it says Keely knows that using the payment plan will cost more than paying in full, like paying in full today. So how much more will Keely pay using the payment plan? So here we have a familiar concept, which is that if you have the money in your bank account, £4,200 today, you can buy the car for that. Otherwise, you can actually have the car today with only 2/5 of that amount of money, and then you will have to pay a monthly installment for 24 months to pay the rest. But of course, if you go for that option, you'll be able to buy the car today with just 2/5 of the money, but in the long term, it's going to cost you more. And the question's saying, how much more? So what we're going to do is work out how much it costs using the payment plan, and then just get the difference between that and the purchase price for buying it today, which is 4,200. Okay, so let's work out how much money the payment plan costs. The payment plan says you can pay 2/5 of the purchase price today, and then 24 monthly payments of £112.90. So my recommendation to you is anytime that you see a fraction question in a functional skills maths exam, you should consider using the bar method. So what we've got here is 2/5, and we're going to ask ourselves the question, how many fifths are in a whole? And the answer to that is 5. There are 5/5 in a whole. So I'm going to draw a bar that's got 5 parts in it. And then we're going to ask ourselves, do we know the whole? What is the whole? And in this case, the whole is the purchase price, because it says you can pay 2/5 of the purchase price, which is 4,200. So I'm just going to make a note of that. The whole is 4,200. And now I'm going to ask myself the question, can I find one part? So looking at the bar diagram, the whole is 4,200 and there are 5 parts. So in order to find one part, I'm going to do 4,200 divided by 5, and we have a calculator in this section of the test, so I'm just going to put that into the calculator. 4,200 divided by 5, it's 840, so I've got 5 equal parts of 840. That makes 4,200, and the question is asking us for 2 parts here. 2/5, it says, of the purchase price today. I'm looking for 2 parts, 2 840s. That is 1,680. You can just put that in the calculator. 2 times 840. That is 2/5 of the purchase price today. As well as that, we're going to have to work out the 24 monthly payments of £112.90. So in order to work that out, we're just going to do 24 times £112.90, and we get £2,709.60. Okay, so I'm just going to make a note of that. And now we know how much it costs with the payment plan, because we can just add the £2,709.60 onto the 1,680. I combine them to get a total of £4,389.60. Okay, so that is the total with the payment plan. And now all we have to do is compare that with the purchase price of the car, which is 4,200. So I'm just going to do the subtraction here, £4,389.60 minus 4,200, and then I get £189.60, which is the answer to this question, and that is 3 marks. So what do you think? Does this bar method look like something that could be useful to you when you're doing level 2 functional skills maths? I think so. If you would like some help with tuition, yeah, please do just email me at this email address. Thanks for watching this video. Check out some of the others in this series, and I will see you in the next one.